If your Ford Escape's USB ports aren't charging or connecting to CarPlay, don't head to the dealer just yet. Nearly half of all USB connectivity issues are actually caused by a faulty cable rather than the car itself. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find out exactly why your sync system isn't responding. Start with a soft reset of the sync system before checking the physical fuses and port integrity. Software glitches are common in the Ford Escape, especially if your phone's power demand exceeds the port's output. If the connection drops when you hit a bump, you likely have a loose physical connection inside the media hub. A soft reset fixes most software bugs, but physical damage to the pins means the media hub must be replaced. Replacing the USB media hub yourself is relatively inexpensive compared to the high labor rates at a dealership. To replace the hub, simply pry the old unit out of the console, swap the wiring, and snap the new one in. Make sure to use a high-quality, MFI-certified cable to rule out data transfer issues before buying parts. The golden rule of tech: always test a different device and cable before you start pulling fuses. Hopefully that reset got you back on the road. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.